Welcome to our comprehensive guide on synthetic installation, where we'll walk you through the essentials, with a special focus on the game-changing Benda Board anchor system. Drawing from over a decade of hands-on experience with synthetic turf contractors, this video delivers timely, practical insights to tackle the challenges of modern installations. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, let's dive into creating a flawless, long-lasting turf project. When you first unroll synthetic turf, you may see marks or flattened blades from packaging. This is normal. Let the turf relax in the sun, or gently fluff the blades to help them recover. If issues remain, pause installation and contact your vendor for help. A little patience ensures a smooth finish. Every turf project comes with unique variables, and planning is your key to success. Most vendors offer turf cut to approximate sizes, but for precision, order pre-cut turf to your exact dimensions. Large rolls are heavy and tough to maneuver, so accurate cuts save time, effort, and costly mistakes. Keep in mind that turf typically comes in 15-foot widths with directional blades. Poorly planned cuts lead to waste and added expense, so map out your job carefully to maximize efficiency. Please note that the anchoring system was installed in accordance with the design specifications prior to the placement and compaction of the base materials. The depth of your base, typically 4 to 6 inches, depends on soil conditions. A well-prepared base is critical for a durable turf installation, and Class 2 road base is the preferred material. This well-graded mix of crushed stone, gravel, sand, and fines, ranging from 3/4-inch particles to fine dust, compacts tightly to create a stable, erosion-resistant foundation. For best results, add water and compact the base in 2-inch layers to prevent uneven settling, particularly in high-traffic areas like driveways or walkways. It minimizes water retention and supports a drainage rate of 12 to 30 inches per hour. This method reduces air and water infiltration, enhances moisture management, and meets many manufacturers' warranty requirements. A word of caution: avoid using decomposed granite, DG, as a base. It compacts well, but lacks permeability, leading to drainage and odor issues. After your base is installed and compacted, be sure to add sand to smooth out your final surface. We recommend using weed fabric in most turf projects. While it won't eliminate all weeds, it greatly reduces growth and helps keep turf looking clean. Making it standard in your installations ensures lower maintenance and better results. Now that your base and ground prep are done, it's time to install the turf. Lay out your first roll of turf over a clean, flat surface. Be sure not to drag it across the subbase and try to keep the foundation intact. Then lay in your second roll if necessary next to the first turf roll, making sure the fiber or blades are running in the same direction. Let the turf sit in the sun for 1 to 2 hours, as this relaxes the material and helps the grass blades stand upright, smoothing out any wrinkles in the backing. Next, it's time to seam the turf rolls together. This is the most critical step, so take your time. Mark your seam line with a chalk line. Using a sharp cutting tool, trim 1 to 2 turf rows from both rolls, leaving a 1/16 inch to 1/8 inch gap between them. Don't let the rolls overlap. The goal is to match the spacing of the tuft rows in the seam to the rest of the turf. Pull back the edges, placing the seaming material dull side up, and ensure the area is clean, no oil or debris. Lay the turf edges back down, press firmly for good contact, and check for a tight, even seam. Now, secure the perimeter temporarily with 6-inch galvanized nails or staples, placing them every 6 to 10 inches along the edges. Custom cut the turf to fit your space, whether it's a winding path, curved border, or unique layout. Use a carpet cutting knife or razor knife for precise cuts that match your design. For a smooth, tight fit, use a carpet kicker to stretch the turf before screwing it into the Benda Board anchoring system. A quick tip: double check your seams and keep the turf taut to avoid lifting or shifting. Take your time, and you'll have a professional, long-lasting turf installation. And finally, don't forget to spread infill or silica sand per turf manufacturer's recommendations, followed by a power brush for a pristine finish. Now, let's talk about securing your turf's perimeter, the critical step that defines durability and appearance. The Benda Board anchor system is the gold standard for edging synthetic turf. Why? It allows for thorough compaction, right up to the edge, ensuring long-term stability and preventing base bleed or erosion. Without Benda Board, edges can erode over time, leaving wavy, uneven perimeters. Benda Board locks in your base, delivering a clean, professional, and sustainable result that stands the test of time. In regions with high clay content and/or rocky soils, driving stakes into the ground can feel like a workout. To make it easier, use a 1/2-inch drill bit or auger to create pilot holes. This ensures stakes go in fully, maximizing their grip and structural integrity. For snowy climates, opt for 18-inch stakes for extra security. Again, pilot holes using a drill bit, concrete bit, or auger are often necessary to drive these stakes deep. Proper staking is non-negotiable for a rock-solid installation. For this project, the designer chose the Benda Board anchor system paired with Epic Edge landscape edging for a polished, seamless finish. Benda Board was chosen for its key advantages, most notably its primary material, high-density polyethylene, which provides superior strength and sustainability. Third-party testing confirms it as the most durable anchoring system available, unlike many competitors that rely on low-density polyethylene. In addition to preventing base erosion, Benda Board pairs seamlessly with Epic Edge, which enhances the installation with a refined, aesthetically pleasing finish. Though not essential, Benda Board alone, with turf tucked under mulch or bedding materials, creates a stunning infinity edge. Epic Edge elevates the visual appeal. It's a perfect example of balancing durability with style. And there you have it, a proven roadmap for synthetic turf installation, anchored by the reliable Benda Board system. With careful planning, the right materials, and expert techniques, you're set to deliver professional-grade results that last. Ready to start your next project? Share your questions or tips in the comments below, and let's keep building better turf installations together.